Welcome to... You can be one of the first to view one of my new videos. YouTube channel with you guys.
It's very, very hot. You need to wait a few minutes, okay?
Any braid, not just one braid. Hairstylist. Oh. What's up, everyone, and welcome to my channel. What's up, everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you don't already know me, my name is Amanda, and I'm a hairstylist, always looking for new ways to get creative. So whether you're a hairstylist or you're just looking for new hairstyles to try, I've got something for you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you want to stay updated with what's going on here. And you can also be one of the first to view one of my new videos. So today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to braid. Not just one braid, you're going to learn how to do all different kinds of braids that you can incorporate into beautiful hairstyles. So, oh, by the way, fun fact, did you know that many hairstylists don't even know how to braid? It's kind of crazy, right? So, after watching this video, don't forget you can pause, rewind, and replay whenever you need. You too will have another skill under your belt. So you ready to learn? Let's braid. Okay everyone, I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you've learned something, and now you can take those braid techniques and incorporate them into your own beautiful hairstyles. If you have any questions, please comment below, and as always, give this video a like if you like it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.
That was amazing!